How to fix Microsoft.NET Framework installer encountered the 0xc8000222 error in Windows 11. Here's how to fix installer encountered the 0xc8000222 error in Windows 11. 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Perform an SFC scan, SFC/scano, check disk tool, chkdskc/f/r/x, and dism/online/cleanup image/scan health and dism/online/cleanup image/restore health, as admin. 3. Install the Microsoft.NET Framework application in Windows Clean Boot.